Good morning, it's Tristan here from ZebraInvest. Today I'm just back outside of Swanmore Avenue in Sholing, Southampton, where we've been turning this flat just behind me from 1 bedroom to 2 bedrooms. So we're now in week 5 and this is supposed to be the final week of the property. I've got a feeling we're going to run a touch over, which you'll see as we just walk round inside. So what we've been up to outside the property, every time we come around we've just been weeding it and tidying it all up. And there's just a new light outside the property as well. So the whole place is all coming up together, and hopefully I should be able to get a few estate agents to pop round the property at the end of the week, both to give them an idea of what type of properties we're looking to sell, but also what we're looking to buy and what kind of projects we want to take on in the future. So this is quite a good example of what we're doing and the areas that we like. So I'm going to swap you around, take you around and show you around Swanmore Avenue and show you the progress we've had since last week. So let's head on in. So the carpenters have made some fantastic progress after last week, and we've got a new floor down in just in the hallway, and that's just been where this stopcock down here was leaking. It's effectively caused one of the joists just to rot out, and so that's all now been replaced down here. We've also just had our second fix and our electricals all finished, which means that we've got new consumer unit and all of our lighting and everything else in place. So as we come upstairs, it's still bright and orange on the left hand side. But we've just coming into the rear bedroom. It's got, as I said last week, all the sockets I think are in. Oh no, well, so the sockets are all in. And all the skirting boards, the architrave, the window boards in. So the whole place just needs a really good sweep out, ready for the decorator to crack on. And then as we come through here, we've got the bathroom. And I hope you agree, but the plumber has done a fantastic job of doing the bathroom. And so we've actually got a really nice finish in here, with all matching units, and the tiles look fantastic. So that's all that. And if we just pop down, we'll come through, and then this is the master bedroom. All the skirting boards are all in here, and so it's all now ready, should all be ready for the decorators to pop in and get the works done here. So that's looking good. And the final room that we'll come into is the kitchen and living space. So here, they've been hard at work getting all the units in. We've got the architraves in just around the door, and we've dropped in all the downlights are all fitted and the heat detectors and everything else, just so it's all up to regs. And we're going to have a fire door fitted as well, so that way whoever ends up living here can feel nice and safe in the home. But what this should mean is we're going to end up having the sofa just sitting there, facing across to the telly, and that means there should be a nice bit of space for a dining table just to sit out here, looking out the window. So that's just the start of week 5 at Swanmore Avenue. This week we've got the decorators coming in to pull through, decorate the whole place out and get it all up to standard, looking good, ready for someone to move in. The carpenters are going to be finishing off in their living room, putting down the laminate flooring with the skirting boards, and then they're also just going to be getting the kitchen finished off, ready for someone to move in. The decorator, he's got a fair bit of work to do, and he's also going to be doing a little bit of the outside of the property to make it looking good. I'm going to put in a new garage door too. The other bit of work that we've got to do here is the plumber's just got to get in, finish off the last bit so we can have the Saniflow installed and running, and just get that bathroom all tiled up and finished. So the whole place should be looking pretty fantastic, and I hope you're looking forward to seeing the rest of the progress. If you've got any questions, drop them in the message below, or give me a call on 02380 08 123, or pop me an email, which is tg@zebrainvest.co.uk. I look forward to hearing from you.